Before you start your yoga practice today, remember to use your essential oils. We have all of these amazing oils that can support our health. Particularly when you have a little bit of a sore muscle, you can use this product that's called Cool Azul. I really like this a lot. It's a pain cream, and you can put it on your lower back, shoulders, legs, different parts of your body where you feel the pain. So make sure to oil up, and if you don't have a kit of your Young Living essential oils yet, please follow this link right here, and I will follow up to support you in how to use your essential oils. So get that and enjoy your yoga practice today. Hey everybody, ready for day 3? 2-week challenge of yoga. This is Yogic Arts, and today we're going to do a little bit of kicking drill. Kicking drill because what we do is we combine Ashtanga yoga with martial arts, created by Duncan Wong, my brother. Here we go. Ready? Day 3. We're going to start with a little bit of a dance drill. So this is foot tap and opposite arm. Tap, 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 tap. You can even be really light, only on your toes. And twist, 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 twist. This is setting us up, setting your brain up for the pattern of what you're about to do. So when you come to a stop, I'm starting with the right foot, so that would be right foot back. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to twist up and lift up my knee. And then go back down. Twist up, lift up my knee. And, yeah? Okay, good. And once you've done that for a series of times, we're going to lift up a little bit higher. And then we're going to do a full kick. Now, I want to caution you, be careful for your back. If it's too much, don't do this. Just start out slow. Listen to your body always. So here we go. This is just a leg swing. Just a leg swing. So we started out here, then we went to here, and then the full swing. And now we're going to do the other side. So let's tap it out a few times. Tap, 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 and tap. And when you have the left leg back, go ahead and begin with the swings. So first knee up, a series of times. And then we're going to lift it a little bit higher, and that's to here. That's with the calf more parallel to the ground. And you might feel a little bit of stretch there. You might feel a little bit of sensation in your back. You can stop. You can tell your back it's safe. It's okay. Hold. Give some good energy there. Believe it or not, your muscles connected to your brain want to know everything is safe, or else they could seize up. And that is, can cause an injury. So here we go. Up. And if you feel comfortable to do so, let's do full leg swings. My body is going in a cross-core motion. Okay, so we've done that a few times. We have some nice heat building up here. Now we're going to do our full sun salutation with kicking drill. Let's see how that... This is the part of the KiDo Kids Yoga deck of cards. And I'm going to just insert this into the adult class because that's kind of fun to switch it up. So 1, mountain pose. 2, reach up. 3, drum the floor. 4, open frog pose. 4, frog. 5, I'm going to turn to the side, but you can stay facing forward. 5, plank. We all know the power of the plank pose, right? 5, plank. 6, snake. Or cobra pose, right? 7, upward dog. We're going to howl at the moon. Howl! Oh, oh, oh! That's what we do in our KiDo Kids Yoga class. And then we're going to pop up into downward dog. Very gentle. Did you see what I did just there? Instead of pulling my seat up and pushing back like that, if that's too much, we're going to do the gentle way, and that is coming up on your knees and then straightening your legs, adjusting your feet, pushing back, looking, letting your head rest. That's the downward dog. Good. Next one, it's the crouching tiger. Literally put your knees down from there. It looks like a cat pose, right? But no, we're going to go into tiger. Up, fingers up. So I'm doing a finger stand. So I'm up on the tips of my fingers and I'm going to put my head down. Very nice. Crouching tiger. Good. And then hands down flat again. We're coming to the very end of this part of the KiDo Kids Yoga part. And we're going to jump our feet to meet our hands and clap. 1, 2, 3. Invert the palms. We're coming to 11. Look up, reach up, and namaste, mountain pose, Tadasana. And that one is the KiDo Kids Yoga Sun Salutation. Just wanted to insert that a little bit. That's your preview of our deck of cards. Now going on to our kicking drill for the adult section. And so when we're done with that, we're in our namaste, mountain pose, right? And from here, I'll face you again. We're going to do that one more time, but a little bit faster, and then we're going to stop when we get to our warrior poses. That's a little bit different. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plank up, and downward dog. Now, inhale, relax, exhale, knee to heart, shh, drop that foot down. Place the back foot at an angle, come up with your core, rounding your back, and inhale up, warrior 1, warrior 2, warrior 3, Yogic Arts. Pulse. Shh. Good. And from here, we're going to go to our warrior 4. Straighten your legs. Hands behind your back. Look like this. And just melt. Here you can also put your hand at the base of your spine and come around this way. Other side, support. Let your back know it's safe. Shh. Very nice. And then from here, if you're standing in this position, next thing we're going to do is hands together, swing up, and when you like hitting a baseball with the bat, now my hips are facing forward in that shortened warrior 1. So we all know that warrior 1 would be long like this, but shorten it down, and the leg that's back is the arm that's up. This is kicking drill, Yogic Arts. We come inside and back out. Why are we doing this? Well, besides doing an amazing exercise, and when we do it faster, it becomes more aerobic, we also have the benefit of balance, and we're preparing for a full inside crescent kick, which, again, only do this if you feel comfortable to do so. If not, keep doing this prep. This is an amazing stretch. I'm feeling it on both my legs. But the full crescent kick looks like this. Inside crescent, inside crescent. If you want to keep your hand here and touch your foot to your hand, that's okay too. Like that. The leg that's back is the arm that's up, and here we're going to bring it all the way in, and we're going to do half of a prayer. So we're going to touch our knee to our prayer hand, and then back down. And block. Again, Yogic Arts, combination of Ashtanga Yoga with influences from martial arts, created by my brother Duncan Wong. Travels all over the world and teaches this. So here I'm giving a little sample. Inside and outside. And that's all you have to do. Inside and outside. Now that looks very similar to what we were starting with, right? What we were starting with was just knee up, knee up. But if you can imagine a bouncy ball, a big beach ball right here, with these poses, we are going to go around the ball that way and around the ball this way. Kind of interesting. And namaste. That's a lot of workout, so do that as many times as you feel comfortable to do today, and see you tomorrow for day 4. Mwah!